आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Question it is given that let A vector be this, B vector be this, and C vector be this, with three non-zero vectors such that C vector is a unit vector perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. It is given that if the angle between A and B is pi by 6, then we need to prove that value of this determinant whole square is equals to 1 by 4 A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square into B1 square plus B2 square plus B3 square. Now we know that the value of this determinant is equals to scalar triple product of ABC, that is A vector cross B vector dot C vector, and since we have a square here, so we will also have square of this. Now we know that A vector cross B vector can be written as AB sin theta, where A and B are the magnitude of A vector and B vector, and theta is the angle between A vector and B vector, which is given as pi by 6. Again, we have a dot product here, and we know that A dot B, A vector dot B vector can be written as AB cos theta, where theta is the angle between A vector and B vector, and A and B are the magnitude of A vector and B vector respectively. So similarly, we can write this as into C, that is magnitude of C vector, cos of alpha, where alpha is the angle between A vector cross V vector and C vector. Now we know that the value of theta is pi by 6 as given in the question. It is also given that C vector is a unit vector, that is the magnitude of C vector, which is equals to C, will be equals to 1. Also it is given that C vector is a unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Now we know that A vector cross B vector is perpendicular to the plane of A vector and B vector. So since C vector is also perpendicular to both A vector and B vector, the angle between C vector and A vector cross B vector will be equals to 0 degree. So the value of alpha will be equals to 0. So we can put these values here. We will put the value of C as 1, and in place of AB, sine of pi by 6, sine pi by 6, and the value of cos alpha, that is cos 0 degree, will be equals to 1. Now sine pi by 6, that is sine 30 degree, which will be equals to 1 by 2. So we will have AB by 2, and we had a square here. So we'll also have a square here, and we will also have a square here. So we got this value as equals to A square into B square divided by 4. Now what is A? Since we were given that A vector is A1 I cap, A2 j cap, and A3 k cap, so the magnitude of A vector, that is A, will be equals to A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square root over, and similarly since B vector is given as B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap, so we can write magnitude of B vector, which is equals to B, as B1 square plus B2 square plus B3 square. So now we can put those values here. So this will be equals to, in place of A, I will put this. So A square will be equals to A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square, and the value of B square will be equals to B1 square plus B2 square plus B3 square, and divided by we have 4. So we got the value of this determinant whole square as this, and this is what we needed to prove.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।